Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Maryurin. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, what up? So I just did a quick get ready with me. Well, not really get ready with me. This is my everyday makeup routine to go to work. So I don't have that much time in the morning. I usually have about a good maybe 10 minutes to do a little bit of makeup on my face so that I don't look super sleepy at like 7 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, this is what I do on a daily basis. I also wear glasses, so I'm just gonna put these on. I know that the reflection of the ring light is gonna come through, but this is the face, and then I just throw on my glasses. So if you're interested in watching how, well, not watching because duh, you're gonna watch it. But if you're interested in how I get this quick morning makeup before going to work, just keep on watching. Bye. No, not bye. Stay in the channel. Yeah, don't leave. Stay, okay? All right, I'm gonna put the clip. Alrighty, so I don't really do my eyebrows too much, but oh god, I gotta do my eyebrows. I gotta go. I'm actually gonna go thread them after doing this video. I'm going for like the not too bushy but not too perfect eyebrow. What I am going to use that I've been loving for the past few weeks is this L'Oreal Brow Stylist Boost and Set Volumizing Brow Mascara in the color, what's the color? Light brunette. So this is what it looks like. It's one of their newer products. So it's just actually adds a little bit of color. I just kind of brushed them up and out, and then I try to add a little bit of that color. I don't know if you can start to see it. I definitely see it. Just to give my brows a little, you know, color. And the good thing about this is that it also sets your eyebrows, so it's actually perfect because I gotta go do my eyebrows. But it does give you a little tint. Yeah, and then I just, well, kind of just give it like a little shape, you know what I mean? See the difference between this one and this one? Yes. So the next thing that I do, I just take like a black eyeliner. This is a NYX black eyeliner. Don't make fun of my little eyeliner. It's like super little and cute, right? But it does the job. And these are really inexpensive. I think they're like $2.99 or something, $3.99. And I just put it on my waterline. See the difference? And I also put it on the top. See, so eyeliner, no eyeliner. Concealer, and this is the Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the color 25. I did a drugstore versus high-end concealer. I'm gonna link it down below so you can take a look at comparing the Tarte Shape Tape to this one. I'm gonna take my damped beauty blender and I'm going to blend. Said I'm not gonna put on foundation, but this is just to give me the I'm awake, you know, the difference, right? And then I also have redness. I also have some redness up here, so whatever's left over from the beauty blender, you just, you know, take a little bit, put it there. I have this little red spot right here. And then I'm gonna blend the other side as well. Maybelline Master Fix by Face Studio Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. Just pretty good actually. So it just has a doing read sticker, but it's really good. I think it was like $11, $10. I'm not sure, but I could link it down below. Then I just put some in the cap, and then I take my beauty blender and just dip into it, and then I just pounce. Move on to a little. We're going to move on to a little. Should I do eyeliner? Let's do a little. Just a little bit in the end. That's it, just a little bit. Just a little wing. And then I'm gonna take my favorite L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in the color Black is Black. It's my favorite because the brush is like plastic, but it's like really thin and it really gets up in there. I'm gonna shine a little bit, just hang on. Ta-da! Eyelashes are mascara. Alrighty, so I'm gonna take my brush and then I'm just going to just remove all the excess powder. And this is the Wet n Wild color icon in the color Mellow Wine. It's really good. I just take a little bit, tap, and then just put it. And once you put a little blush, you're gonna go back to the mascara and you're gonna put it on your lower lashes. That's it for the eyes. I am going to take a little bit of this NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. It's a lightweight liquid illuminator that gives skin a refreshed glow and beautiful highlights. I'm just gonna take the Maybelline Master Chrome in the color Molten Gold. whatever's left I just put here. Take a little bit on my finger and I put it right in the inner corners of my eyes. Look at that. And I take a little bit right here in my brow bone, just a little bit to give it a little glow. I don't know if you can see it, but I can totally see this highlight. You see the highlight? Whatever's left, just, you know, on your nose, a little here, a little here. Everywhere. I'm kidding. Don't put it everywhere. I'm gonna take the same setting spray. It's the facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I'm just gonna spritz. I didn't put foundation, but I did put powder, and I'm not trying to look all powdery and stuff. Take the color Daringly Nude by, this is Maybelline. Lust for Blush 665 is also from the same Maybelline matte collection. It's more pink. On the lip, and then I'm going to top it off with this NYX Butter Gloss in Tiramisu. These are great. I think these are my favorite lip glosses of all time. They're inexpensive, they're not like sticky, they give you a beautiful color. Ta-da! All right, I think this is it. This is what I would wear every day, for the most part, to go to work. Simple hairstyle. I look like I'm awake, not too much. I think it's damn cute. I'm just gonna put on my glasses because I wear glasses. So yeah, this is the finished look.